How to block people from searching you on Facebook. To get started, first of all open up the Facebook application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Go to How people can find and contact you. Then, go to the Who can Facebook suggest your profile to section. Tap on People with your phone number. Here, change the audience to No one. Then, tap on Save. You can also do the same for people with your email address if you want. After that, go to the search engine option below and turn it off. When this setting is off, search engines will stop linking to your profile. Following these steps, you can easily block people from searching you on Facebook.